Hi, this is the demo for benchmarking machine learning algorithms on a mobile phone CPU by Group 10. This project was done by Varun Chandrashekar, Dilip Gajendran, Avinash Tahakik, and Rajat Sinha. Let's go ahead and have a look at the app. This is the main activity of our app. Before I give you a demo, I would like to explain what's actually happening in the background. The user can select one or more up to four of these machine learning algorithms. For the purpose of this project, we have selected SVM, naive Bayes, decision tree, and random forest. After the user selects one or more of these models, they have to enter the train percentage. The train percentage signifies the percentage of data that will be used for training purposes. Rest of the data will be used for testing. Next, we have to specify the parameters for each of the selected models. If the user knows the values for these parameters, they can simply go and enter them. If they don't, they can click on the default button and the default values will be filled in for these parameters. After inserting the values for these parameters, a Java Weka command will be created. This command will contain the values of all the parameters that we earlier specified. Once we have made an input for all the parameters for all the models that we selected, the commands that we created are sent to the server along with the training data file. The training is carried out on the server and the trained model files are returned back to our mobile devices. Next, we carry out the testing processes in the mobile device using the Weka libraries. As the output for this training, we have displayed the true accept rate, the true reject rate, the false accept rate, the false reject rate, and the HTER. Now let's go ahead and do a demo of this application. So first of all, I'll select some models. Let's say I made a mistake here. I can simply go ahead and reset. Now I'll select the models that I really wanted to select. And after that, I have to enter the training percentage. If we do not enter anything and simply click on next, the system will take 70% as a default value for training percentage. For the purpose of this demo, I'll go ahead and enter 40% as a training percentage. Once I click next, two files are now created into the phone's memory, the training file and the testing file. The training file will contain 40% of the data and the testing file will contain 60% of the data. Now we have to input the parameters for the models we selected. If we know the parameters, we can go ahead and type them. But if we don't, we can simply click on the default button and as can be seen, the default values of these parameters are filled up. On pressing the next button, we see a toast. This toast contains a Java Weka command that will be sent to the server for creating the model files. We have displayed this toast only for the purpose of this demo. We have to carry out a similar process for all the models that we have selected. So I'm just going to simply press default and next. And as we see, the Weka command is created. We have also introduced an additional feature in which the user doesn't always have to click on the default button. They can simply click on the next button and the default values will be filled in by themselves, as can be seen, and the command is generated. Now these commands along with the training data file will be uploaded to the server, and as can be seen, everything has been uploaded successfully. The commands are now getting executed on the server to create the model files for the selected machine learning algorithms. We have to wait a little while for the processing to finish on the server side. Then we can go ahead and download the model files. Now we can click on the download button to download the model files. After the downloading has been carried out, the testing will be carried on the downloaded model files and the results will be displayed. As you can see, these are the results. We are displaying the true accept rate, true reject rate, false accept rate, false reject rate, and the HTER for each of the selected models. We have also created the log for this application. So if we go ahead and click on the view log button, we see that the log file has been created and this log has also been stored into the phone memory as a text file. Now, I would like to conclude this demo by thanking Dr. Ayan Banerjee, the TA, and the Impact Lab for all the help and the guidance with this project. Thank you.